something was fishy straight from the gun. Soon as he got home, took his phone up on the low. Saw it for a number I ain't never seen before. After all the games he said, baby, how'd you know? I told him you better go chasing my women's intuition. Ain't nothing that I'm missing with my women's intuition. Ay, these men be creeping, cheating, thinking we don't know, but we know. Don't underestimate a woman's intuition. This is how the story goes. Ladies know the feeling that we getting out of dominoes. Something only women know. Ain't mythological. So if you're sensing something about your man, trust your gut and tell that adios, adios, adios. Yeah, tell that niño adios, adios, adios. Girl, it's time to let him go, let him go. Drop him like a bad habit. Drop, 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 drop. Ain't nothing that I'm missing with my women's intuition. Ay, these men be creeping, cheating, thinking we don't know, but we know. Don't underestimate a woman's intuition. A woman's intuition. A woman's intuition. But we know. Don't underestimate a woman's intuition. I knew what you were doing long ago, but I didn't really wanna let you go. And since I'm being honest, you should know. Listen close. Before you cheat on your next guy, just see me under me. 'Cause 9 times out of 10, she'll not be who you think. So stop taking chances on your romances. Fellas, never underestimate a woman's intuition. A woman's intuition.
That song that you just heard was Women's Intuition. It's an original track that was produced and written and arranged and performed by my husband and myself. I hope you enjoyed it. You'll also be able to hear that a little more intimately and more broken down in the chorus that I have up on Drumeo, so be sure to check it out.